Hey, how's it guys? Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ollama for Windows PC. So Ollama is a software that allows you to run models locally, such as models like GPT or Llama 2 by Meta. And there are many models available. So if you, first of all, go to ollama.com. If you click on models, now here are all different a variety of models that you can install locally. Now, I just want to point out that I'm not an expert when it comes to using Linux because I'm a purely a Windows user. So today there are several ways you can install Llama on your PC, especially if you are using Linux, then it's going to be so much easier. But for Windows users, we run into so many issues. So I thought I will share how I was able to run this Llama 2 model locally on my PC. Now, first, I'm using a Docker container to run the model locally. So go to docker.com, install Docker for desktop on Windows. Then follow the instructions to install Docker desktop. And as mentioned before, I'm not expert when it comes to Docker, but today Docker desktop makes running everything so easily. Alright, so once you have Docker desktop installed, we need to install the image first. And by the way, I'll put all the links that I use in this video in the description below. Now here I'm on the Ollama Docker image. Now we need to put the image using this command right here. So I can simply copy the command and open my terminal. And I'll copy and paste to pull the image. But right now I already have the image installed. So if I go into images, and here's the Ollama image. Now to run the image, so we simply copy this command right here and copy and paste. And can directly paste into a terminal. And right now, because my container is already running on this port right here, so if we look at the error message, it's saying that the container Ollama is already in use. And once you launch the container and the container is running, go to Actions and want to open a terminal. In the terminal, you want to type the command Ollama run llama 2 to install the llama 2 model. And if you want to install other models such as Lava, Ollama, so this one's actually pretty popular too. So you can go into the model. You'll simply copy the CLI command and paste it into the terminal under the container. Now to make sure that the model is running successfully, so here we can go to localhost and we'll paste the port number. In this case, the default is always going to be 11434 unless you change the port number. And here we can see the message Ollama is running. Now choose the models in Python. So here's the script. So first, here we increase the font size. So first we need to import the HTTPX request. So basically you're hosting the server locally on your PC. And here's the endpoint. So it's going to be HTTP localhost followed by the port number /API/generate. Then we need to specify the model. In this case, I'm using Llama 2 followed by the prompt. I'm going to store my parameters in this data dictionary. Then we need to make a request code. So we can type HTTPX, or you can use the requests library to make a post request. Then I'm going to provide the endpoint, followed by the parameters, followed by the headers. So my PC is actually quite old. It's just about 5-6 years. I might need a new PC pretty soon. So because, like I said before, my CPU is not actually powerful enough. So when I make this post request, the request is going to take several minutes to generate the response. But if I use a relative newer CPU or more powerful CPU, then it's going to take much quicker for the response to get generated. And once the response is generated, so here me print the response, so we know what the output is like. So it's going to be response.text. That's going to look like this. So basically, the model is going to look at the prompt and it's going to stream the response. So here we have many records with the same definition. So we need to actually concatenate all the records. And because the output is text string, so we need to basically split everything into individual records. Then I'm going to convert each record into a dictionary object by using JSON.loads method. Then I can concatenate the response from the response key into a single string. If I print the print statement, and that's going to generate the response based on the Llama 2 model locally to explain why the sky is blue. Right, so this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video. I know this is going to be a little bit intimidating, but trust me, if I can do it, then you guys can do it too. And feel free to post your question in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.